6 minus 6 gives us 0, obviously, and 6 minus 6 also gives us 0, and 0 multiplied by any number gives us 0. But this is a wrong answer. But why? Because you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker. And this is the trap of order of operations. If you're asking if there is any order of operations, yes, there is. You can't just go from left to right. There is an order that everybody must follow. Otherwise, you would say, this is the answer. I would say that's the answer, and that would create a chaos. So, but for God's sake, what is the correct order of operations? It is something called PEMDAS. Learn PEMDAS and never be lost. So let's see what PEMDAS is in reality. So PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and finally S stands for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow, a vector of priority from highest to the lowest priority. PEMDAS means that you must go for parentheses at first. Then you must go for exponents. Then you must go for multiplication and division from left to right. They have the same precedence and priority. So MD or DM doesn't matter. Then you must go for addition and subtraction from left to right. So with this in mind, let's revisit our original problem. 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6. Do we have any parentheses? No, we don't. But you assume, so if your answer is 0, you assumed that these two 6, this pair and this pair of 6s, you thought they are paired. They are inside the parentheses. If they were inside the parentheses, that would be 0 for sure. Yes, so because we had to do parentheses at first, but there is no parentheses. There is just subtraction, multiplication, subtraction. But according to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So you can't do this at first. You must go for multiplication. So let's multiply at first. 6 minus, yes, we need to do this part. 6 times 6 gives us 36, and then minus 6. So we have just two subtractions. So 6 minus, we can go from left to right. 6 minus 36 gives us minus 30. And again, minus 30, minus 6 gives us again minus 36. And that's the only correct answer. So for your homework, what would the answer be if we had this part raised to the power of 2? So 6 minus 6 in the parentheses a square. So to support me, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.